Hey guys, just another update video on my stocks portfolio. I actually had an insanely good night last night. Morning, I should say, this morning, New Zealand time. My account's up over $1,500 just in one day, which is my biggest single day gain I've ever had. My previous largest, I made a video about as well. It's $1,000 in one day, and yeah, it's a huge gain. I'm super happy with it. I have had a bit of a downtrend like over the new year, which is not too bad because now I'm currently sitting at all-time highs again after this huge gain. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've added a couple of new positions, just the MicroStrategy there and ARKG. I didn't have any genomics, like any stocks to do with genomics, and I don't really know that much about the sector, so I figured I would just get an ETF that covers the whole sector because I still want to have some exposure to that sector. And MicroStrategy is partially like a Bitcoin play, and it was also recommended by Jeremy from Financial Education, so I put a little bit of money into there, not a whole lot. Actually, I'll have a look at how much. It helps if I have internet. I think I put about 400 into that one. Only 300 roughly. Yeah, so pretty small position, but I didn't have a lot of cash on hand at that time to be buying with, and this is just another small position. Put about 500 into that one, ARKG. And then I have been selling off a few positions. I've been selling, so I've sold my Kathmandu and my Sky City, my New Zealand shares, in favor of American shares. I just find it harder to pick good New Zealand stocks. So I will go through the one-day gains that caused me to get such a big one-day gain. Tattooed Chef is my largest position. I have over $4,000 in them, and yeah, as you can see, they went up 6.27%, which is a huge one-day gain. It's probably was a lot of the money that I made. 62 times 4, like $240 of that 1,500 was from just that stock. Yeah, Space and Shopify done pretty well. There was quite a few downward movers, but these downward movers you see here, and like a few of the others, they're often moved down together. It looks like those are the only ones yesterday, but like sometimes Royal and Royal Cruise Lines, Tapestry, and Berkshire all move down like together. I think they not necessarily come under value stocks, but they move with a different group of stocks as opposed to a lot of the rest of my stocks that move with like tech and growth. So last night was obviously a tech and growth night. And yeah, continuing on, some small gains there. Tesla I've actually sold, I just still have it on my watch list. It's pretty sad about selling that, but it is what it is. Live and learn. Yeah, ARK continuing to go up. It's up now 50% for me, so that's pretty good. I've only had it for a few months. Stitch Fix had an absolutely insane gain, 18%, and that puts it back over 100% for me. It spiked up and then dipped down, and now it's returned to its, or at least close to its all-time high, so above 100% returns for me, so pretty happy with that. Yeah, a couple of small gains. Taco, decent gain. That was pretty speculative, small position though. Walgreens, that's an interesting one. So you can see only a small 0.5% gain last night. And in post-market, another 1.38%. I intend to add a lot more to this position. My reasoning is, I don't know, kind of funny. Jeremy put out another video and he titled it, "The stock will 2x fast." And the last time he did a video like that, it was for Nordstrom stock, this one here, which 2x'd very fast and is closing in on a 3x for me. So pretty safe to say that I can trust him when he says a stock is going to 2x fast. Yeah, he also said it about Tapestry. So Tapestry, yeah, TPR, which also 2x'd fast. Go over to my stock portfolio in Hatch. These are the ones that are shown in Yahoo are just a combination of my Hatch and Sharesies account. These aren't multiples, they're just double ups. So Tapestry, as you can see, 172%, and Nordstrom 191%. And those are two stocks he said were going to 2x fast. So I believe him when he says that Walgreens is going to 2x fast. If you watch his videos, you can understand why he's saying that and get a better idea. Yeah, next stock, Upwork, had a huge gain as well, and still up post-market as well, which is interesting. Should be another good day for them tonight, or tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, just some small gains. Beyond Meat, man, that's been beaten down a bit. I think I'm down around 10% on them, which, I don't know, is what it is. I don't have any more cash to put into that one because I've already got a $2,400 I've put $2,400 in US dollars, and it's come down a lot, obviously, about 240 US dollars down on that at the moment, so hoping that comes back up quite a bit. I believe the Motley Fool kind of downgraded them, which yeah, brought their price down. So now I'm just hoping that, because that was one of Jeremy's recommended stocks, so I'm hoping that Jeremy's right and the Motley Fool's wrong. Yeah, Wynn Resorts did pretty well. Nordstrom, as I just showed you, like closing in on 200% gains. So yeah, they just keep pumping, always going up. And these are just my remaining New Zealand stock positions. Selling out of some of them. I'm going to keep Hallenstein's because it seems like a really good performing stock. And Air New Zealand, I'm going to keep them as well. Just as a bit of diversity into New Zealand stock market, although my diversity is going down and down and down. I'm mostly in tech and high growth in the US stock market. But then my stocks only account for about 1/3 of my net worth. The rest is in my house. So New Zealand property market, which, yeah, don't know if that was the best decision, but is what it is. Yeah, as you can see, $13,800 total gains, which I'm pretty happy with. I've put in 32,000, so those numbers might be a little bit off. They don't calculate the ones that I've sold, so probably quite a bit off. Actually looks like it's 14,270, so getting pretty close to that 15,000 mark. And you remember at my one of my other videos I said total gain of 10,000. I was super happy with that, and I said I hope the next 10,000 comes even faster, and it looks like it's going to. So pretty chuffed with that, making some good headway. And the more it grows now, like the more potential it has to grow in the future with the compounding effect, which is great. Makes me pretty happy. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to view my future videos. And yeah, I hope you guys are making good gains at the moment as well. Have a nice day. See ya.